Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name's Chantler. Hey guys, what's up? We're just gonna hop straight into this video. Today's video is basically me styling my hair on how I wore to brunch this past weekend. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you do that because I did post some pictures. I'll leave a link to that in the description bar. Come over to my Instagram and say hey, because I post way more on there than I do on here. So yeah, I'm starting off with a super old wig that I had probably for about a year now. It is one of my custom wigs from my wig line. If you guys did not know, I do have my own wig line. It's called So Addictive Hair & Co. I also leave the link to the website there, so if you guys want to purchase a custom wig, or if you guys want to buy bundles, or whatever it is that I have on the site, if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave it in the description box. But yeah, this is my custom wig. I use our raw Indian hair and I custom colored it this copper color at the top, and then it fades into this light copper color. Unfortunately, I won't be able to remake this because L'Oreal no longer sells this color, which really sucks because I wanted to remake it in a longer length, but every time I go to Sally's, they no longer have this color, and when I order it online, they always cancel my order. So yeah, I'm just stuck with this one, and I'll probably wear this one maybe 2 or 3 more times before I call it a wrap. But anyways, that's not why y'all here. So yeah, this video is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just blow drying the hair, then I'm gonna style it on the mannequin because I want to make sure that it's molded really flat and it's molded really well. So I made sure to do that on the mannequin. I actually prefer to do all my molding and styling on the mannequin before doing it on my head, because if you guys do your own hair, then you know that it's way different than doing someone else's hair, and it's actually harder because of like the different angles and stuff you have to hold your arms at. So I just prefer to do everything on the mannequin and then place it on my head and then like fix it up or toss it around or whatever I have to do on my head. But majority of my styles will always be done on my mannequin head. But yeah guys, I'm gonna just stop talking and let y'all enjoy the rest of this video. I may come in and out if there's something on the screen that I need to address, but if not, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah guys, happy New Year's, and I'll see you all in my next video. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I just wanted to point out that the reason why I spray my hairspray on top of the already placed frontal is because it does something with the glue to where it just gives this flawless meltdown and a longer hold. I did this in my last install, and a lot of people were asking me why did I spray the hairspray on top of the glue. But y'all, it just gives a super long lasting hold. And so I started doing that a while back, and I just been sticking with it ever since. So it's not needed, but if you want to do it, like, your install will last a long time, sis. Trust me. guys, so we have made it to the end of this video. This was just a a short cute video of what I did to my hair this past weekend. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Also leave me some comments down below to let me know what type of videos you guys want to see from my channel this year, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And like always, I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys.